Understanding, on the Wings of Love. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful phrase, on the wings of love. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in English to convey feelings of freedom, elation, and being uplifted by love. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore the essence of this phrase together. At first glance, on the wings of love might conjure images of flight or soaring high. Literally, wings allow birds and planes to fly, symbolizing freedom and movement. When we add the element of love, the phrase begins to take on a metaphorical dimension. It suggests that love has the power to lift us up, to make us feel free and boundless. This is the beauty of English expressions. They can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. Moving beyond the literal, on the wings of love, is deeply symbolic. It speaks to the emotional journey love takes us on, where we feel light, joyous, and elevated. This phrase encapsulates the idea that love can carry us through tough times, propelling us forward with hope and strength. It's a testament to the transformative power of love, how it can change our perspective and elevate our spirits. This phrase isn't just a part of everyday language. It's also found its way into literature, music, and art. Artists and writers often use "on the wings of love" to describe the euphoric feeling of being in love or the sense of being supported and uplifted by a loved one. It's a theme that resonates across cultures and time periods, illustrating love's universal power to inspire and uplift. Understanding when and how to use "on the wings of love" can enrich your communication, especially when expressing deep feelings of affection or admiration. It's perfect for romantic contexts or when describing a particularly uplifting experience related to love. Whether you're writing a love letter, composing a poem, or simply sharing a heartfelt moment with someone special, this phrase can add depth and emotion to your words. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of "on the wings of love." We hope this video has not only expanded your understanding of this beautiful phrase but also inspired you to reflect on the uplifting power of love in your own life. Love, indeed, has the remarkable ability to elevate us, to make us soar on its wings. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep flying high on the wings of love.